Welcome back. Today's video will show you how to make Google Chrome extensions work in incognito mode. They probably won't work in an incognito tab straight away, and thankfully the setting to change this is nice and simple to find, so this video won't take too long. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. First, open up Chrome and make sure you have all of the extensions that you want included. I've got a volume booster for this example. Find the jigsaw piece icon in the bar at the top. It should be on the right side, and click on it once. Now choose Manage Extensions, which should be the last option on the list. You should now be on a page that shows you all of the extensions you currently have installed. Locate the extension you want to allow to work in incognito mode and click on Details. On the next screen, look down the list for the toggle switch, which will allow it to be used in incognito mode, and simply turn it on. And so that's how to make Google Chrome extensions work in incognito tabs. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.